Today is Thursday, February 9th. The time is 9:43 a.m. This is Memman101. This is the 2011 Panini Timeless Treasures football break, break number 14. This break is sponsored by DCS Sports Cards. www.dcsportscards.com. Good luck, everybody. First card, Aaron Rodgers, Green Bay Packers, serial number 428 out of 499. Next for the Falcons, Hall of Fame, Deion Sanders. For the Chiefs, Justin Austin, rookie signatures, serial number 17 out of 463. Game Day Souvenirs, Steven Jackson patch. Rams, serial numbered 17 out of 25. For the Bengals, AJ Green, rookie recruits, jersey, serial numbered 16 out of 250. And the last one, for the Bengals, Cedric Benson, serial numbered 68 out of 499. Thank you, everybody, for bidding. If you guys check out my other eBay box breaks, I have another box of 2011 Timeless Treasures, along with these other 2011 football breaks. Absolute, Precision, Top Supreme, Panini Gold Standard. For 2010 football breaks, I have Crown Royale. And if anyone's interested in hockey, for 2011-2012, I have both certified and limited. I will also be posting other boxes throughout the week, so please check back. Thank you.